Today, we're talking about 5 ways that a lawyer can help you after a slip and fall injury. I'm Natalie Gerry, the principal lawyer and founder of Gerry Law. I help injured people get the compensation they deserve for their injuries. Let's get into this topic. What can a lawyer really do for you if you've been injured in a slip and fall accident? So, slip and fall injuries can range from sprains and bruises to fractures and even brain injuries. Hiring a lawyer can make a big difference, especially if you cannot work while you're recovering. Here's why getting a lawyer to help you after a slip and fall can be so valuable. First of all, a lawyer can help you to understand applicable limitation periods in your case. A lawyer can help you understand the time limits on filing a claim. If you don't meet certain time limits, then you could be completely out of luck in terms of starting a lawsuit. If you miss deadlines, then you may be forever barred from starting a lawsuit. This is a really serious issue. Most personal injury lawyers offer a free consultation, so it is important that you get that legal advice as soon as possible. In some cases, like if you fall on city property, you might only have a certain number of days to notify them, and the time limits can be really short. For most other slip and fall cases, you have up to 2 years to start a lawsuit, but there are certain regulations around snow and ice where you have to give notice within a shorter time frame. So a lawyer can help you to understand all of those shorter time frames. The second thing a lawyer can help you with is starting a court action. If you want to sue the property owner for your injuries, a lawyer can file a lawsuit on your behalf and can help you to follow the correct legal steps. This gives you a chance to seek compensation for your injuries, and it makes you seem much more credible than if you are self-represented. The third way that a lawyer can help is with proving liability. Your lawyer will investigate whether the property owner took reasonable steps to prevent the accident, and the lawyer will gather evidence to show that your injuries were a result of negligence, which could be things like poor maintenance or a lack of snow removal, or even just a lack of a system to deal with hazards on the property. A lawyer will help you with a thorough investigation into liability, and they'll gather evidence from photos of the scene to witness statements, and this will be used to build your case. With a lawyer's help, you'll be prepared to show that the property owner failed to maintain a safe environment. The fourth way that a lawyer can really help is to tell you what your rights and responsibilities are in terms of the lawsuit. A lawyer will explain your rights and what's expected of you as an injured person. This might include seeing your doctors regularly, following up their treatment advice, and keeping track of new symptoms. Staying in touch with your lawyer about changes to your health or new medical visits is also essential. The fifth way that a lawyer can help you if you've been injured in a slip and fall is by helping you to understand the money that you could be getting through the lawsuit. So there are different types of compensation that you might be eligible for, and these can include pain and suffering. As we all know, that's a common one that is thrown around. So compensation for the physical pain and emotional toll of the accident. A lawyer can help you to assess what your pain and suffering could be valued at by a court. A lawyer can help you to calculate your lost wages. If you're missing time from work or you missed time in the past from work, a lawyer can help you to claim for that lost income. Also, the loss of your ability to maintain your house can be claimed for, and any out-of-pocket medical expenses that you would not have had but for the accident. So if you or someone you know has been injured in a slip and fall accident, please reach out to an experienced personal injury lawyer as soon as possible to get advice. And I offer a free consultation. I would be happy to speak with you about your particular circumstances. You can contact me at the information in the video.